In 1981, Winter Park, Florida, witnessed a bizarre event. A massive sinkhole suddenly appeared, swallowing cars, trees, and even a house. But how do these mysterious voids form? Beneath the surface, limestone dissolves over time, creating underground caverns. When the roof of these caverns collapses, the ground above gives way. This natural process, combined with human activities like drilling, can trigger sinkholes. The Winter Park sinkhole became a tourist attraction, drawing curious onlookers. It reminds us of nature's unpredictable power. Ever wondered what lies beneath your feet? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.